In this video, we review Interactive Brokers versus Fidelity. Have you used Interactive Brokers versus Fidelity before? What was your experience? Leave your Interactive Brokers versus Fidelity review in the comments section below. Did you know that Interactive Brokers is recognized as a leading platform for international trading and advanced mobile trading apps? Additionally, Fidelity is consistently ranked as one of the best online brokers for its customer satisfaction and comprehensive offerings. Interactive Brokers, IBKR, and Fidelity are two prominent brokerage firms catering to a diverse range of investors. Both offer extensive services, yet they differ in key areas that may influence an investor's choice. Interactive Brokers is renowned for its comprehensive trading platform, offering access to a vast array of global markets. This makes it particularly appealing to international traders. The platform provides advanced trading tools suitable for experienced traders, including algorithmic trading capabilities and a wide selection of investment options. However, some users have noted that the user interface can be complex and less intuitive, potentially posing a challenge for beginners. Fidelity, on the other hand, is celebrated for its user-friendly interface and robust customer service. It offers a comprehensive suite of research tools and educational resources, making it a strong choice for both novice and seasoned investors. Fidelity's Active Trader Pro platform provides advanced features tailored for active traders, and the firm has been proactive in engaging with the retail trading community to gather user feedback. In terms of fees, both brokers have adopted competitive pricing structures. Interactive Brokers is recognized for its low commissions and fees, appealing to cost-conscious traders. Fidelity also offers commission-free trading for online U.S. stocks and ETFs, with options trading available at a competitive rate per contract. A notable advantage of Interactive Brokers is its extensive international trading capabilities, providing access to numerous global markets, which is beneficial for investors seeking diversification. Fidelity, while offering international trading options, has a more limited global reach compared to IBKR. However, Fidelity compensates with its strong emphasis on customer support and educational resources, aiding investors in making informed decisions. On the downside, Interactive Brokers' platform has been critiqued for its steep learning curve, which may be daunting for less experienced investors. Fidelity's platform, while user-friendly, has faced criticism regarding its mobile app interface, with users suggesting that it could benefit from modernization to match some of its competitors. In conclusion, the choice between Interactive Brokers and Fidelity should be guided by an investor's specific needs and experience level. Interactive Brokers is well suited for those seeking extensive international market access and advanced trading tools, provided they are comfortable navigating a complex platform. Fidelity is ideal for investors who prioritize a user-friendly interface, robust customer support, and comprehensive research resources. Both brokers have made significant strides to accommodate the evolving needs of investors, and the decision should align with individual investment goals and preferences.